Welcome to this Getting Started with Scio Qualis video. My name is Paul Schroeder and I'm one of the developers working on Scio Qualis. In this video we are going to demonstrate the sign-up and registration process, as well as how to input a locality and view it on a map. So let's get started. As a new user, I would come over here to the ScioQualis.com website and click the register link. At that point, decide upon a username, input my email address for password recovery, and create a password to access the site. Next, I would read the terms of use and agree to them before creating my user. That's all there is to it. At this point, we're up and running and able to use Scio Qualis with our test collection. So we see that John has his own institution and a collection within that institution to work with. However, there is really no data with this collection just yet. Let's go ahead and input a locality. So the locality that we're going to input today is going to be the year 2012, a higher geography of, say, Kane County, Illinois. And the municipality or park is Fabian Forest Preserve. Now, the reason that we see a drop down here is that as we input more and more data into our collection at Scio Qualis, it can do a type ahead lookup for us, and we don't have to keep typing the same things over and over again. It'll search and find them for us. If we're ever unsure about what a field is, then we can click on the label next to the field, and it will give us an explanation that with some context sensitive help. Now that we've input the basics of a locality, let's go ahead and insert that record. And we see it shows up on the right here in our recently edited grid. It's also over here on our left in a read-only mode. We can see that there's some other tabs to our locality where we could input some elevation information. Or if we're dealing with something like marine specimens, we can input depth below the surface information. In addition, there's georeferencing and coordinate information, and that's kind of what I'm interested in right now. Let's go ahead and edit the record again and choose a coordinate system. We'll use decimal degrees and a datum. Let's see our decimal degrees there and our longitude here, and update the record. So now if we were to go back to our localities here and select from our recent grid that particular locality, we see exactly where that locality is on the map. We can zoom in and use all of the typical features you'd expect from Google Maps, including satellite view, and we get to see a little windmill over there on the Fabian Forest Preserve. So in this video, we've seen the sign-up and registration process, as well as how to input a locality and view it on a map. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please come back and see some more.